Hey honeys, welcome back to Cape's Natural World and thanks so much for tuning in. So honeys, this is the third and final month of our 3 months rice challenge for hair growth, and this month we'll be using the Yao Women Rice Water to grow our hair. Now, why are we using the Yao Women Rice Water to grow our hair this month? Let's find out a bit about the Yao Women and why we'll be using their rice water recipe to grow our hair this month. The Yao women from China have the longest hair in the world and recognized in the Guinness Book of Records for their long hair. Women in this area have an average hair length of 2.3 meters. Yes, 2.3 meters long, and they attribute this to rice water. The Yao Women rice water recipe, though, is a little bit different from the rice water we used during the first month challenge. Now, let's find out how to make Yao Women rice water for hair growth. So to make our Yao Women rice water, we'll scoop some rice. There's no specific amount, just the right amount so you don't waste your rice. And then we wash the rice to get rid of any product that was used in preparing the rice or any dirt that might be in the rice, and you get rid of the water. And then you add more water, okay, to the rice, but this time we're not going to get rid of the water. So at this stage, what the Yao women do is they rub the rice in between their fingers and their palm, okay, to get the nutrients from the rice into the water. And you want to keep doing this for about 5 to 10 minutes, and you will realize that the water start to get cloudy, okay, and the rice start to look softer and start to break up, okay. That means you're doing the right thing, you're doing it right, okay. So as you can see, the water is very cloudy now. We're going to transfer the water into a pot, only the water, okay, and we are going to leave the rice behind. You are not going to transfer the rice as well. We only transfer the water, okay, and then bring it to a boil. Now you want to do this on a very low heat, okay, and you can do it for about 5 to 10 minutes. I did it for 10 minutes, so I kept the rice water boiling for about 10 minutes, okay. And after that, you want to leave it to cool. You turn it off and leave it to cool down, and then you transfer your rice water into a jar. Now the next stage is what the Yao women do is they have a special fruit called the pomelo fruit, okay, that they use to mask the smell, okay, but we don't have the pomelo fruit, so we're gonna go for clementines. As you know, I love using clementines in my rice water because I think clementines have a sweeter smell compared to oranges, okay. And then we're going to go in as well with our lavender oil, and these two gives it a good smell, okay. So this is it, guys, all ready to be stored away. You want to keep it in a cool, dark area, okay. Now this, we've kept it for 7 days, but what the Yao women do is they say they store it for 1 month, but no, we're not storing for 1 month. We only kept it for 1 week, okay. And once you bring it out after 7 days, you see the rice will settle at the bottom. Just shake it up and you're good to go. And you can see the clementines look softer here. After 7 days, we're taking it out, and then we will transfer the rice water into our spray bottle. So this is our spray bottle. You can use a smaller one or bigger one. I'm using the big one, this one, because I want to transfer everything, because I want to use as much as I can in my hair, okay. So yes, we're going to transfer all of our rice water into the spray bottle, and guys, the smell is beautiful. The smell is just lovely. The clementines and the lavender oil has really masked the smell of the rice water, so you don't have to worry about the smell at all. Do not worry, the smell is so lovely. You will want the smell in your hair, you will want the smell in your hair because it's just beautiful, okay. So this is it, guys. Our rice water is all ready to be used, and this is how you prepare your Yao women rice water for hair growth, guys. We are all ready to use. So this is the final month, okay, of the 3 months rice challenge.
this is our last month, and we are using, as you know, the Yao Women Rice Water. And I've got my Yao Women Rice Water here. Okay, as you can see, the rice is starting to settle at the bottom. Okay, but all you have to do is just give it a good shake it up, and you're good to go. Now, what the Yao women normally they do is they actually they put the rice water in a bucket, and then they dip their hair. Okay, and then they pour the rice water on their hair. But as you know, honeys, natural hair is a little bit different from the Yao women hair. Okay, so we're not going to do that. I am just going to spray the rice water on my hair, just like I've been doing with the other challenge with the fermented rice water and the rice milk. Here we go. Here we're just going to we're just going to spray as usual from the roots. Okay, you want to make sure you get a good amount of the rice water. Again, this smells just like a bit like the fermented rice water the first month. You remember the first month challenge, but this one is a little bit stronger. The smell is a bit stronger. I'm not sure, maybe because of the we had to boil it. So yeah, not a little bit like that, but a bit stronger. And look at that, guys. This is how it looks. I just love this rice water, what it does to your hair. It's just, I love it, absolutely. Right. So again, I'm not going to do this I'm not going to show you how I do it every week like I did it with the first month. I'm just going to show you what I'm doing this week. Okay, and then I will give you the results. But then I am going to be doing it off camera every week. So every week I'm going to spray my hair. Every week I'm going to spray my hair with the Yao Women Rice Water for 4 weeks. For the next 4 weeks I'm using it. This week, which is today, next week I'm going to do it. And then 2 weeks. Yeah, so next week, and then the following week, and then the 4th week I will be applying the Yao Women Rice Water again for the final 4th week. Okay, so that's just 2 more to go. I'm just going to separate this. Okay. So once you put the rice water in, just separates like that. It's amazing. Okay, so that's the last one, guys. So that's all done. What I'm doing now is just putting my plastic cap on. Just a normal plastic cup, nothing fancy. It's a normal plastic cup. You can keep it for about 30 minutes, 20 minutes, 45 minutes to an hour. It's up to you. Okay. I just want to keep it on for like just a bit longer. The Yao women says they keep it on for 30 minutes. Okay. That's how long the Yao women keep it on for. But I'm going to go a little bit more because I've got things to do. So I want to just get on with what I'm doing. And whilst I leave it on, and then I'll wash it out later. So this is how it looks after. You can see in the bag it's all yeah, this is how hair looks. Okay, just let you see the back. So I'm going to wash it out and deep condition it. Okay, and then yeah, that's it. Hey honeys, so yes, this is the final week. Today's the last day. I have been applying the Yao Women Rice Water on my hair for 4 good weeks. Every week I apply. This week I applied it on Monday and I waited until today. Today's Saturday. Okay, so today is the fourth Saturday after applying it, okay, for 4 weeks. And yes, that brings us to the final month, okay, of our rice challenge. We've been trying to grow our hair for 3 months using rice, and this month we use the Yao Women Rice Water, which is the last month of the 3 months challenge. Okay, so yes guys, this is my hair guys. I am loving the hair. I can't get enough of this hair. It's unbelievable. Look at my hair guys. I'm loving the texture and I'm loving the volume. The Yao Women Rice Water is amazing guys. You need to try it. No wonder it's so popular, you know, a lot of people talk about it. I have really loved it. It makes my hair feel soft, but it didn't leave out the volume. It still gave me volume and still made my hair soft. You can see, look, let me just take my time and then you can see, look at that, you know, it's not, and it's not like very soft, you know, that you get a bit worried, oh my hair is too soft. It's just perfect, just the right, you know, softness that you want your hair to be. So guys, I'm loving it. I am so loving the Yao Women Rice Water right now. I am super loving it. Okay, just let you know that yes, the Yao Women Rice Water, it's amazing. The Yao Women Rice Water is amazing. Okay, super amazing. I love it so much. Okay, so guys, let's get into, okay, measuring my hair. Quickly, one thing I want to say as well is with the Yao Women Rice Water, from research I realized that they keep their hair a lot of the time in protective style. Okay, so if you want your hair to grow, okay, and you want to make sure you're following the Yao Women Rice Water, make sure you keep your hair in protective style a lot. You can see my hair is out today, but I'm not going to keep it out for long. Okay, I'm going to make sure I'm going to put it in protective style, okay, just to keep my, you know, the Yao women, they put the Yao women, they put their hair in protective style to avoid over manipulation, obviously the pulling, the tagging and all of that. Okay, so then they get that length retention. So that's what you have to do. Okay, that's one tip I got from the Yao women. Okay, so yes, let's practice that. So guys, let's get on with this. So I've got my tape measure here as usual. Okay, and yes, we're going to start. Okay guys, so here we go. Okay, so I bring in my inches. Okay, and then start right from there where the line is. That's the start of my hair. Okay, right, I'm gonna let this go. It's quite hard. It's quite hard doing it on your own, guys, honestly. So here we're going, guys. So 13 there, gone past 13. We got 14 there, just about 15. Okay, so just about 15, guys. Just about 15 there. So 14, just about 15. So honeys, this is the end of our 3 month rice challenge. Okay, this is the last month, and thank you so much for all the messages you're sending me, the private messages. Thank you. Okay, those that are trying it, those that have tried all the two and has let me know the difference they're seeing from the rice milk and the rice water, the difference. Thank you so much. Please continue to send me any message. Okay, you can private message me, or you can leave it on in this comment section. I will reply. Thank you so much. And please don't forget, when you use the rice water, please deep condition your hair. It's so important. I can't stress enough. I keep saying it in all the videos. Also, it depends on your hair. Okay, everybody's hair is different, so just listen to your hair and see how your hair responds to it. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for going on this 3 month rice challenge with me. It has been amazing. You have been amazing. Your comments, your messages have been amazing. Thank you so much. We're going to do a lot of challenges, okay, with different ingredients, different natural ingredients, not just rice water. There's a lot of them that I'm going to bring up for us to try to grow our hair, not just rice water. So please, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe, okay? And please make sure you got your notifications on, okay? So when I post, it will come straight to you. And please don't forget to share, okay? It might help somebody out there, like I've already said. Thank you so much, okay? And please, if there's any question, okay, if you have any question about rice water or any question about growing your hair, if you have problems with your hair, breakage, whatever, leave it in the comment section, or you can private message me. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, okay, if you've loved the video. Thank you so much. And you can reach me on Instagram, okay, as Kip Styles or K Culture, okay, on Instagram. You can also reach me on TikTok as Kip's Natural, okay, and you can also reach me on Facebook, Kip's Natural, okay. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Take care. God bless. Bye.